Nice having you here. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making vegetable chicken soup. I've already washed and prepped these ingredients. Here I have the chicken, I've washed it. I have the carrots already washed and diced, the green peppers, Irish potato, onion and ginger. I have the green peas, red bell peppers, spring onions. So all this have been washed and prepped to save time in this video. So let's get cooking. First, let's season the chicken. I add in 2 chicken seasoning cubes, break it in and spread it across. I add in salt. I add in dried thyme leaves. I add in curry powder. I add in ginger and onion. I've already diced them into little pieces. Now I'll mix all this in. This will help us get a very nice tasty stock from the chicken. I'll cover this and set it aside in the fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. Our chicken is back from the fridge and it has marinated well enough. The heat is on now. This will cook for 5 minutes before I'll add water to it. This is 5 minutes later and this has generated some juice. I'll go ahead and add in water. Now I'll give this a stir. And I'll cover and cook it for extra 15 minutes. This is not the soft chicken, it's the hard one. So I need it to cook till tender. This is 15 minutes and this chicken has cooked tender enough. I add in black chili pepper to give me some spice. Give it a gentle stir. And I add in the Irish potatoes. I'll give it another stir to give it a sitting right inside the stock. I'll cover this and cook for 3 minutes to allow the potatoes to get tender. 3 minutes later, the potatoes are soft enough and they will release some textures to thicken the soup a little bit. If you want yours thicker, you can dissolve cornstarch in little water and add it in now, but this is enough for me. Now I add in the veggies, the red bell peppers, the green bell peppers, spring onions, carrots, and the green peas. Please note that you can use any vegetables of your choice or vegetables available to you. Now give this a complete stir to mix properly. You can add more veggies if that's what you're looking out for. Now I'll taste for the salt and the seasoning. Mine came out perfect. You can adjust yours if need be. I always say that your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, you add in little per time and adjust as you cook along. I wouldn't be covering this again. I'll allow it come to a boil for a minute, then I'll take it off from the heat because I don't want to overcook the vegetables. Our vegetable chicken soup is ready. If you've watched till this point, please like this video. Please also share this video. Please also consider subscribing to my channel to get more sumptuous recipes like this. Let's go ahead and serve our meal. This tastes so delicious. I hope you replicate this and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. You can also suggest what you want me to prepare for you and I'll make that happen also. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.